Hi there, students. To bring around or to bring round. Well, the first meaning of this phrasal verb is to take something or somebody to someone's house. So next time you come and visit me, bring your sister round. Bring round your PlayStation tomorrow and we can play together. It doesn't have to be to your house, but most commonly it is this round, come round, pop round. It's talking about to their house. But for example, you're at a party and everybody has seats and you're talking to someone and he says, you'd better sit down because they're bringing the food round. They are distributing it to the different people. I'll bring round your shopping for you. Okay. Well, in this case, probably to your house, but not necessarily. I'll bring my car round to your office. Okay. Then the next meaning of to bring round is to make somebody who is unconscious conscious again. So he fainted and the doctor used smelling salts to bring him round, to bring him around, to make him conscious again. So if somebody is unconscious, then you need to find a way to bring them round. You can use this also jokingly. For example, I need my coffee in the morning to bring me round, to make me conscious. Well, in this case, not conscious, but much more alert. Okay? So, do you need coffee to bring you round in the morning? Okay, well, you can also, I'm thinking as well, you can also use it meaning to wake up. I slept late yesterday, but finally the noise of the dustbin men brought me round. Now, we have a final meaning for to bring around, to bring somebody around. To bring somebody round. This means to push somebody to change their mind. So he didn't want to lend me his car, but I managed to bring him round. Perhaps make him conscious to the fact that I needed it. Okay? She didn't want to lend me any money, but I managed to bring her round. Notice, to bring somebody round to your way of thinking, to bring somebody round to your way of seeing things. The boss didn't like my idea at the beginning, but I brought him round by explaining all of the advantages that this had. Notice, bring around again is a transitive phrasal verb. It needs a direct object and it's separable. Bring it, him around. So, next question, formality. I think this phrasal verb is really quite informal. Yeah? I'll bring it around to your house for a conversation. More formally, I will deliver it to your house. The doctor used smelling salts to bring him round, to bring him to consciousness more formally. To bring him round, definitely informal. And I will bring him round to my way of thinking. Again, very informal. To persuade somebody, perhaps. Even perhaps cajole. C-A-J-O-L-E. See the video. Okay, so bring around. Remember, bring is an irregular verb. Bring, brought, brought. So, bring around, an informal phrasal verb. Take something or somebody to a house or to a place. To deliver, to take. To bring somebody who's unconscious around, to bring to consciousness. And then to bring around, I'll bring him round to my way of thinking. To persuade somebody who doesn't really want to do something, who doesn't really like something. Persuade them of its benefits. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope I brought you around to subscribing to my channel. Notice, to bring somebody around to doing something. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bring around.